Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express and Suites Smithfield, Providence, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located adjacent to Bryant University, Holiday Inn Smithfield offers modern accommodation 10 miles north of Providence. It features a well-equipped gym, laundry facilities and an indoor heated pool. Rooms at Holiday Inn Express and Suites Smithfield, Providence are air-conditioned and equipped with cable TV channels, tea, coffee makers and hairdryers. Each includes a pantry with microwave and refrigerator. Guests can enjoy free coffee from dispensers in the lobby of the hotel. Local eateries can be found within the university campus or along Douglas Pike. Popular nearby attractions include Twin River Gaming and Entertainment Complex and Rhode Island School of Design Museum, both within a 20-minute drive. Free parking is available on site. Use our link in description to get good discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.